Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to day 12 of our Ramadan Masail series, presented by Quran Ruhani. Today, we will discuss an essential aspect of reading the Quran, Tajweed, the correct pronunciation and recitation of the Quran. Why is it important? And what are some key rules to improve our recitation? Let's find out. Importance of Tajweed in Quran. Recitation. The Quran was revealed with proper pronunciation and articulation, and learning Tajweed preserves its correct recitation. Allah commands in the Quran, recite the Quran with measured recitation. Tartil. Surah Al-Muzammil 73:4. The Prophet said, "The one who recites the Quran beautifully, smoothly, and precisely will be with the noble and obedient angels." Bukhari, Muslim. Tajweed helps us avoid mistakes in pronunciation, beautify our recitation, preserve the original message of the Quran. Key Tajweed rules for beginners. 1. Makharij pronunciation points. Every letter of the Arabic alphabet has a specific makharij place of articulation in the mouth or throat. Learn the correct way to pronounce letters like a, ain, h, ha, ka, qaf, and t, ta, a. 2. Guna, nasal sound. Letters mim, m, and noon, n, require a nasal sound when having a shadda. Example, Inna a'taynak al-kawthar, Surah Al-Kawthar 108:1. 3. Mad, elongation. Certain letters must be stretched for a specific duration. Mad letters. A, alif, wa, ye, ye. Example, qalu amanna, they said we believe, qalqala, echoing sound. Letters ki, t, b, j, d require a slight bouncing sound when they have a sukun, I. Example, wataba, Surah Al-Masad 111:1. 5. Waqf, stopping rules. Understanding where to pause ensures the correct meaning of verses. Example, la, no stop. Continue reciting. M, mandatory stop. Stop completely. J, permissible stop. Stop or continue. How to improve Quran. Recitation in Ramadan. Listen to expert reciters, qaris. Follow their pronunciation. Practice with a teacher. Correct mistakes with guidance. Read with slow tartil. Don't rush through the recitation. Repeat difficult words. Build fluency step by step. Use a Tajweed mushaf. Helps in color-coded pronunciation. Conclusion. Tajweed is essential for reciting the Quran as it was revealed to the Prophet, peace be upon him. This Ramadan, let's make an effort to improve our recitation, understand the words of Allah, and beautify our connection with the Quran. Jazakallah khair for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Quran Ruhani for more Ramadan insights. Stay connected for day 13.